What challenges does Europa Clipper face finding landing sites? Imagine trying to land on a moon covered in a thick, icy shell with jagged ridges and cracks everywhere. That's the challenge Europa Clipper might face if future missions want to land on Europa. Right now, Europa Clipper is mainly an orbiter, flying around Jupiter's icy moon to gather data. But scientists are already thinking about future landers that could explore Europa's surface up close. Picking the right spot for landing is not easy at all. First, Europa's surface is made of a very thick layer of ice that can be several miles deep. This ice is not smooth or flat. It's full of fractures, ridges, and chaotic terrain that look like a frozen puzzle. Finding a flat, stable area big enough for a lander is a big puzzle. The lander needs a safe place to touch down without tipping over or getting stuck. The terrain is also extremely cold, which makes designing equipment that can survive there very tricky. Next, Europa is bathed in intense radiation from Jupiter's magnetic field. This radiation is one of the strongest in the solar system. It can damage electronics and instruments on a lander very quickly. Radiation also changes the surface chemistry, which could make it harder to find signs of life or organic materials. Scientists want to land in spots where they might find fresh ice or recent geological activity, but the radiation makes it dangerous and difficult to do so. Another big challenge is that we do not yet have detailed maps of Europa's surface. We don't know exactly how thick the ice is in different places or how it varies. Without high-resolution images, it's hard to pick the best landing sites. Scientists need to find areas where the ice might be thin enough to reach the ocean below or where recent activity has exposed new ice. The data from Europa Clipper will help, but it's a slow process. Europa Clipper itself is not built to land. Its main job is to orbit Europa and send back detailed images and measurements. These data will show us where the safest and most promising spots are for future landers. It will map the ice shell's thickness, analyze the surface chemistry, and measure radiation levels. All of this helps scientists choose the best places to land and explore further. In the end, finding a landing site on Europa is a puzzle of icy terrain, dangerous radiation, and limited surface knowledge. The Europa Clipper mission is like a scout, gathering all the clues needed to make future landings safer and more successful. It's a big step toward unlocking Europa's secrets and maybe even discovering signs of life beneath its icy crust.